Hey, what's going on? Hey, I want to share with a couple of guys on who want to add power windows into their manual doors, going from manual to power, or going from want to add concert sound door panels like I'm doing here with this car. I got information on where to drill the holes, and to certain spots on here you got to drill holes. I got a template. I actually got another set of door panels, concert door panels that's maroon for sale. But they have marks that's little dimples. As you can see, it's a dimple. That's for something. They have marks like that, I guess, when these cars on the assembly line to help guys that's next in line on what to drill, like that. So I had this location from a template, and guys was telling me to look for these pre-marked areas. Okay, so that helped out. Well, adding the power windows, which I should have did last year or a year and a half ago. I should have did this when the car was apart, but I didn't want to because of what it was going to take. But now I'm at this point, so I want to do it again. Well, these boots here have to go in the doors, or you can figure out something else if you want to, but I'm putting it back since I have the whole assembly and my wires already ran in the dash. These boots go in the door. This boot here is marked left and right. You can see right there. You can see the R, or left right there. Got that information from some guys. But this boot has to go in on the door side and the door jamb. This goes to the door side, the one that has the lip like this, because I put this in like this without the wires, just testing it in, and that hole on the car side of the door jamb is it has a bigger diameter, as you can see. So this right here, this side go into the car side of the door jamb. Well, as I put this in, which was not a mistake, thank God, when I put this in, it went straight through. But as I was removing it, I felt some marks on the door jamb on the car side. So I had to investigate because it felt like it was holes in there. Well, to come to find out, not only do they make the marks, pre-marks on the doors going down the assembly line, they have some pre-marks on the car side too. And if you look inside here, if you look right there where I'm shining the light, right there, I'm gonna move the light. It's got that same little dimple mark right there. When I move the light, you'll see it right there. You can see it. It's already marked. So what I did on the driver's side, I went and checked over there, and it was like that. So So I took a punch, and I punched it from the inside of the car, and I drilled holes. So let me go to the driver's side so you can see what I'm saying. I already have the boot in, everything. I have the screws in. You can see it's already ran. Flashlight. Got to get the right setting. You can see back there. You can see I already have a screw in. I got it in over here. All I gotta do is take my right angle drill and put it on the doors. So the hardest part was trying to get these screws in on the car side, because of that, the door is flat, but on the car, it's got that little wide little section here. You can see it's hard to get something back there. So what I did was drilled from the inside, and I made my holes. So you already made. It's hard because I got the boot in, but I drilled it from here. I unbolted the hood release handle, or the hood handle. I unbolted it off the firewall. I pushed the emergency brake down so I can have room in there, and I took a punch, which is in here somewhere, and there's my hammer, and I punched the hole going back from the car side, and I drilled. So I'm about to do the same thing over there on the passenger side. So man, I want to share that with you guys, man, in case anybody want to do this power window conversion on their manual doors, that it's not difficult at all, man. So hope that helped. And man, any other information I find, I'm gonna share with you guys, man. I appreciate it. Y'all be blessed out there. Stay safe.